Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today's date is 24th February and we will start with the weather observed during last 24 hours. So light to moderate rainfall or snowfall observed at many places over Arunachal Pradesh, at isolated places over Uttarakhand. Then light to moderate rainfall at a few places over Assam and Meghalaya, Andaman and Nicobar Island, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and isolated places over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and also Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Kerala and Mahe and coastal Karnataka. In Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, hailstorm is also reported at isolated places. Apart from that, in northeast Indian states, all the states have reported thunderstorm and lightning at many places, and also at isolated places over Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha and Telangana. Apart from that, gusty winds or squall reported over Assam, over North Lakhimpur, where wind speed was about 34 knots, and then ground frost is reported over Himachal Pradesh in Bilaspur, and then there is a dense fog report also over isolated places of Himachal Pradesh and West Uttar Pradesh. If you see the yesterday's maximum temperature status, so during past 24 hours, day temperatures have fallen by 1 to 4 degrees centigrade at many places over Bihar, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, and also at isolated places over Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and North Telangana. And they have risen by 1 to 4 degrees centigrade at many places over Northwest India, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya. And apart from them, there is no significant change over remaining parts of the country. Yesterday, the highest maximum temperature of 38.5 degrees centigrade was reported at Kurnool, which is in Rayalaseema. Maximum temperature departure, if you see, day temperatures are possibly above normal by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade at isolated places over Western Himalaya region, West Rajasthan, Jharkhand and Konkan, and above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade at isolated places over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam, and near normal over remaining parts of the country. And about minimum temperature status, during past 24 hours, night temperatures have fallen by 1 to 4 degrees centigrade at few places over East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, coastal Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and isolated places over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Ladakh. And it's also raised by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over many parts of Madhya Pradesh, at few places over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, and at isolated places over Uttarakhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Kerala, Mahe. Apart from there is no significant change over remaining parts of the country. Today, the lowest minimum temperature of 7.5 degrees centigrade is reported at Faridkot in Punjab. If you see the minimum temperature departure, so they were appreciably above normal by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade over some parts of Konkan and Goa. At isolated places over Gujarat state, Bihar, Odisha, West Madhya Pradesh above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over some parts of Rajasthan, Odisha, and at isolated places over Punjab and Gangetic West Bengal. And they were also below normal by 3 to 1 degree centigrade at isolated places over Telangana, and apart from that they were near normal over remaining parts of the country. Now we will see the synoptic system prevailing. The western disturbance now seen as a trough in lower to upper tropospheric levels with its axis at 3.1 km over mean sea level is seen roughly along longitude 46 degree east to the north of latitude 23 degree north. Also, a cyclonic circulation lies over South Pakistan and neighboring areas extending up to 1.5 km above mean sea level, and the cyclonic circulation over northeast Assam and neighborhood persists. The highlights of today's weather briefing is there is an active western disturbance which is likely to affect northwest India from 25th and cause heavy rainfall and snowfall over Jammu and Kashmir during 25th to 28th, over Himachal Pradesh during 26th to 28th, and over Uttarakhand on 27th and 28th February. It is also likely to cause isolated to scattered rainfall over plains of northwest India during 26th to 28th February 2025. Now we will see the forecast of temperature for next 5 days. First we start with maximum temperature. So gradual rise in maximum temperature by about 2 degrees centigrade likely over plains of northwest India during next 48 hours, and then gradual fall by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade is predicted. Central India, there is no significant change in maximum temperature is forecasted during next 24 hours, and after that a rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade is forecasted. Above Gujarat state, there is no significant change in maximum temperature over next 24 hours, but after that rise by 2 to 3 degrees forecasted. And no significant change in maximum temperature likely over rest part of the India during next 4 to 5 days. So considering this hot and humid conditions likely over isolated pockets of Konkan and Goa and coastal Karnataka during 24 to 26, also on Gujarat state during 24 to 28 February is given. Minimum temperature, so gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade likely over northwest India during next 4 days, and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter is forecasted. Apart from that, no significant change in minimum temperatures likely over rest part of India during next 4 to 5 days. Now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1, that is on 24th February. For northeastern states, thunderstorm and lightning warning is given, yellow warning is given, accompanied with hailstorm on day 1 and over Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh at isolated places. Over western India, if you see Gujarat region and Konkan and coastal Karnataka, hot and humid day conditions are for that warning is given. And over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, thunderstorm and lightning warning is given for day 1. For day 2, the thunderstorm lightning warning continues over northeastern states. Apart from that, thunderstorm and lightning warning is given for Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Also, heavy rainfall warning at isolated places is yellow warning is given for Jammu and Kashmir, accompanied with rainfall and snowfall. And over Andaman Nicobar Islands, thunderstorm lightning warning accompanied with heavy rainfall at isolated places is given for Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Over Gujarat and Saurashtra and Kutch and Konkan and coastal Karnataka, hot and humid warning continues for day 2 also. For day 3, those states, hot and humid warning continues. Apart from that, thunderstorm accompanied with lightning warning is given for most of the western Himalayan region states, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, along with heavy rainfall warning in Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh at 1 or 2 places. This is heavy rainfall, snowfall warning. And over Andaman and Nicobar, thunderstorm warning is given for day 3. For day 4, an orange alert is issued for Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh for heavy rainfall or snowfall at isolated places, and also thunderstorm and lightning warning is given for those states. Apart from that, thunderstorm and lightning warning is given over Punjab, Haryana and Uttarakhand also heavy rainfall or snowfall warning is given for day 4. Apart from that, thunderstorm and lightning warning is given for Rajasthan, northern Rajasthan areas, and the hot humid conditions continue to prevail over Saurashtra, Kutch and Gujarat. Apart from that, for southern states, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, thunderstorm and lightning warning is given for day 4, that is 27th. For day 5, the thunderstorm and lightning warning is continued for western Himalayan region and West India, many states. Over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, isolated heavy rainfall or snowfall warning is given for day 5th, that is 28th, and Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, all these places thunderstorm lightning warning is also given. And hot and humid conditions continue to given for Gujarat and Saurashtra and Kutch. Over South India, heavy rainfall warning at isolated places over given for Tamil Nadu and Kerala, accompanied with thunderstorm and lightning. For day 6th, the heavy rainfall warning over Tamil Nadu and Kerala continues. And for day 7, there is no major weather warning given for any regions of the country. Thanks for watching. For more details, you can go to mausam.imd.gov.in. Namaskar, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद.